What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to do portraits on the Nikon D80. I have 4 lenses that I'm going to be using. I have the Nikon 35mm 1.8G DX, the Tamron 45mm 1.8, the 50mm 1.8G, and the 85mm 1.8G, all on the Nikon D80. That way I'm going to show you that it's still a really good camera for portraits. And I want to say thanks to my model.
Hi, I'm Penny. You guys can follow me here.
And I just want to, give her a round of applause because she's coming out at this time and just taking photos with me, really show off how good of a camera this Nikon D80 is still. And I'll have links below where you can purchase all these lenses too. So here we go. I'm going to start out with the Nikon 35mm 1.8 GTX. So those were the pictures with the 35mm 1.8 GTX. I'm gonna switch on to the Tamron 45mm 1.8. So those shots were with the 45mm 1.8. Those are all shot at f1.8. And now I'm going to switch to the Nikon 50mm 1.8G. So those shots were with the 50mm 1.8G. So now I'm going to switch back to the 85 1.8. So those were the shots with the D80 and the 85. Now I'm just going to show you how it looks like with the 35, the 45, the 50, and 85. Those lenses I use for portraits. I'm just going to show you how these focal lengths are different from each other for portraits. Alright everyone, so those are all the 4 lenses I've used with the Nikon D80, and as you've seen with the pictures, the quality came out really nice, and those are just the different focal lengths I've used for portraits. Again, I want to say thanks to Penny for coming out.
Thanks for having me.
Like I said, the D80 is still a fabulous lens to use for portraits, especially if you have a lot of daylight. And yeah, like I said, I have the links below if you want to purchase the lenses. I've used the 35, the 45, the 50, and the 85. And you know what, these are all fabulous lenses if you're definitely into portrait photography. Comment below if you have any questions. If you like this video, please subscribe. And thanks for watching again. See ya.